brothers are little engineers.
Today and my brothers have built some sort of city. We used Lego. My little brother Keon built the big train track and he has put together the big train. And me and my big brother Ezar have built the mini wooden train track.
I like playing with my brothers a lot. Brothers and me build the train city. I love building with my brothers.
If me and my two other brothers can build it, then I think you could build it too. If you have the right things, of course. Because not everybody has them. We had fun doing it, so I'm sure you'll have fun doing it too. Building a city, we were thinking of putting a stadium to make it look better. So I feel like we built the city for around about 15 minutes and it was pretty fun, so it didn't really feel like it took that long. It was a collaboration of me and my brothers to make the train city a reality. Hope you guys liked it, and if we can build it, I'm pretty sure you can build it too. Happy building, guys.